Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bostitch BCN662D1 Nail Gun for trim work. We would like to give a head start with this well-known nail gun for trim work, from Bostitch series BCN662D1. Why? Because we had better with this staple nailer more in this class. If you want 100 nail shooting capacity within 30 seconds, the 16-gauge angled finish nailer will provide so. However, it will provide multiple firing methods too to increase the performance, as well as by contact and sequential both. Without a compressor, battery-powered, such an ultimate fab design can punch 1-1/4 to 2-1/2 long nails. So you can use it for versatile jobs, besides large trim services. Its inbuilt adjustable boosted nail depth control mechanism helps avoid damage to the detailed work, for instance, delicate wood spaces for tight fitting. Also, ensures no hand fatigue. Whether a bypass nail pusher saves nailer from binding up. Moving on at number 4, we have the NuMax SFN64 Pneumatic Finish Nailer. Next, nail gun models for trim work from the popular brand, NuMax series SFN64. Homeowners often turn to tag with this for both affordability and dependability. This 16GA straight finish is lighter compared to similar models, yet powerful to punch with an air power system about 1 inch to 2.5 into small to large surfaces, as well as hard corners. Though being specialized for easy trim work well for furniture, baseboards, cabinetry, and several woodworking projects. You can take into account the depth controlling and jam releasing mechanism. Regarding one system gives a snug fitting opportunity, whether another one avoids misfiring type accidents. On top of that, one-time loaded 100 nails is capable of covering a large surface. It is easy, by an inbuilt sequential procedure with a precise setting. At number 3, we have the Dewalt DCN660B Nail Gun for trim work. Aiming for a better nail gun for trim work on a job site for pros? Dewalt DCN660B is the smartest choice as a pro-graded finish nailer. Why do we recommend this for pros? Because it helps most in dark job sites with included LED lights. However, the bump operating mode is a breeze for a rapid task force for pros. This one is a tool company worth considering. The 20-volt cordless finishing option can handle up to 120 and 16 Ga nails, compared to previous models. Though it is heavy but not that much, which may trouble while punching on upper surfaces in your home or buildings. Magazine capacity 110 of 1.25-2.5 lengths can in this straight gun, with 20 degrees placement power can lead to a well-balanced grip. As a result, you can choose between two common methods, such as sequential or contact firing. Included a jam release. By tensioning a simple nose piece, you can do it at ease. At number 2, we have the Makita AF601 Straight Finish Nailer. The Makita AF601, a straight finish nailer, performs as one of the finest nail guns for trim work. At 3.8 pounds, it features enough portability with better durability. Including a narrow nose design in this class, double tips use for easy entry. More than trim work, used to support a wide range of applications. For example, siding and baseboards inside nails, driving. Well-balanced work experience in between 60 to 115 psi with 16-gauge nail driving ability proves its efficiency through the hard pieces. High-capacity magazine of more than 120 nails holding amount, is capable of punching 2.5 brad categorized nails. You will get the most common tool-free tensioning system. As well, a cam lock is available too. In that case, the locks release jams inside the nailer at ease. Whether the depth adjustment makes the procedure perfect for increasing efficiency. However, for finishing applications, use the 360 degrees rotatable multi-directional exhaust port. So, no blowing debris and no vent away tensions. And finally at number 1, we have the Freeman P4FRFNCB framing or finishing combo nailer. This one is a complete combo set of 4 finishing and framing nailers for your worthy bucks. Durable and reliable, each one has proven itself as the best aftermarket nailers of different sizes, gauges, and nail holding capacity for framing and finishing. Delivering consistent results for trim work, each nailer has the compatibility of rotating and punching on the woods from multi-angles. First one is a 22 degrees full head framing nailer, compatible with round head and plastic collated framing nails of 2 to 3-1/2. The second one is a 34 degrees angle finish nail gun, capable of 1.25 to 2.5 nails. The third one is a brad nail gun, capable of inserting 5/8 to 2 inches range nails. The last one is a great narrow crown stapler, collates regular nails ranging 0.5 to 1.75. First one fastener gauge, 8 to 10, whether the last two have nail sizes by 1/8 GA. All included in a rugged canvas carrying bag. Put out one of these in no time, and start trimming. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.